Hey everybody, this is my super simple, easy way to start a worm bin. This is how I do it. I use the larger totes from Menards, Lowe's, Home Depot, the 27-gallon heavy-duty totes. Get them almost anywhere. I have pre-composted horse manure in mine. A neighbor of mine has horses, so I get it from her. If you don't have that, you can get like Black Cow brand manure from one of the home improvement stores. The first thing to do is make sure your moisture content is right. I mix some water in here, stirred it up good. Maybe a little bit on the wet side for worms. You can always add cardboard to dry it out, or more water to add more moisture. Once you do that, then I've got some worms here ready to go that I pulled out of my outdoor bin, and they are ready to go. Once you got your moisture in there where you think it should be, add your worms. And they will make their way down in there. I had a little bit of food scraps in my bin, tomatoes. A lot of people say tomatoes are too acidic. I think worms love tomatoes. I've never had a problem with them. I do not have any holes drilled in the bottom of this bin. A lot of people say you got to have holes for drainage. If you keep your moisture right, you don't have any liquid to drain out. Worms are pretty tolerant. They can take a lot of moisture. And then from there, I check my bin weekly, make sure that everything looks good in there, add water, add cardboard as needed, and about once a month, check them, see if they need any food. You can add more manure to the top, food scraps. I use all my coffee grounds, vegetable scraps. The only thing I don't put in my bins are meat or dairy products, cheese, things like that. They won't eat those very fast, and they'll just mold and rot in your bin. You can also add chicken feed. I use chicken starter, non-medicated. You can sprinkle some of that in. Worms love that stuff. They will eat that stuff in a week or two. It'll be gone in a heartbeat. And these are the bins I put together. I put these in my garage, and they stay in my garage all winter long until spring, until I'm ready to put them in my outdoor bins, and start the process all over again in my outdoor bins. And that's all there is to it. Easy worm bin setup. Anybody can do it, and makes the best compost on the planet.